Hey, JJ, can we get my balloons with my loose antenna with my helium tank? Where'd you get a helium tank? Fat alien, I live in Australia. We got it one. I live in Australia, JJ. Blue planet. Is it an own balloon? And I don't remember doing it. I don't remember doing that. Can we get the loose antenna? Yeah, sure. Sure, Fat alien. Alright, good. We really bottom that? Yeah, Fat alien. Alright, Fat alien, that's enough air. Not enough air. Fat alien's gonna pop. It's not gonna pop. Fat alien, yes it is. Stop it. Oh, I don't enough. It's gonna pop, Fat alien. It's not gonna pop. I told you. Why did it pop? Because you put too much air in it. I didn't put air in it. I'll really see a minute. You know what I mean, Fat alien. You lose an antenna and put too much blowing in the fat, a visceral fat, and you have diarrhea and lactose intolerant suicide. You don't know what I mean, and to get my own balloon. Wait! I'm out of balloons! Yeah, Fat alien, we're gonna get in store. Can we get stored and then go by the balloons? No! Well, you get into this one real quick. She's acting so stupid. Ugh.